Hi everyone, it's Claire back again. As you can see, I don't have any polish on my nails and it just looks really weird. I was just about to start swatching for my famous 5 greys, which will be coming up next, but I wanted to open this box. This is confusing because I ordered, I think, 3, possibly 4 polishes from Ada's Nails recently. There's a new Life with Kids collection. And I just like the look of a couple of them, and I also ordered the tin, the holographic tin. This box looks bigger than what I've ordered, so let's have a look. Okay, so let's open this first. This is the holographic tin. Oh, and a hairband, that's handy. That's exactly the kind of hairband that I use. And this is the holographic Ada's Nails tin. So this is Kat's logo on Instagram, but also it makes a really handy tin for all of my nail tools and swatch sticks and brushes and dotting tools, that kind of thing. So yeah, I love it, and it's holographic. So I don't want to open it, and I don't want to break my nails, but here we go. So that's the tin that will have my nail tools in. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow. This is Mombi, which is from the Life with Kids collection. It just looks like it's absolutely stuffed with holographic flakes, and this is the black version. This is Witching Hour. Should I swatch them on my nails? Yeah, I think I will. Let's see what else is in here. This is something that I haven't ordered, but it is. Oh, it's a mani truffle. Kat was talking about this recently, actually, and I think this is going to smell delicious. Oh, yeah, that smells. It's like currant, black currant, I think. Blackberry, rhubarb and blackberry. That smells delicious. And in this weather as well, I could really do with some help with my dry skin. Although, having said that, I've been using the Palmer's moisturiser, the cocoa butter with vitamin E, and it's actually really helping my skin, which is every single day. It's just really dry at the moment, but this will help. So thank you, Kat. I'm definitely looking forward to giving this a go. So yeah, you just crumble it. I think this will break or crumble some of the truffle into warm water and soak your hands for 5 to 10 minutes. Excellent. And then, what does this say? These were the chromes in my cupboard. Oh my goodness, look at those beautiful greens. That's a gorgeous gold green, and that looks like a blue green. Beautiful. No names, just random chromes from Kat's cupboard. And this is technically, these were part of the kids collection, but realised at the last minute I'd forgotten the chameleon flakes. Okay. So these were prototypes from the Life with Kids collection. And it looks like Kat's got some new cards printed up. So that's where you can find Ada's Nails, but I'll put the links below. So let's have a little play around with these then. Okay, let's get a bit closer, and I'm going to do the 4 Life with Kids polishes. So this is the one that I ordered, and this is the Witching Hour. So they're all, I think they are all jelly bases. Oops. I'm surrounded by polishes here. Very, very shimmery. Yeah, I think they're all jelly bases, so I'll do a second coat on that. This one is Mombi, which I just couldn't resist. Look at that green. And I think this is also a jelly base. Very pretty and very blingy. So that's Mombi. And I'm not sure what the blue one is, but this is the prototype without the chameleon flakes. So again, it's that jelly base, and it's absolutely packed with scattered holographic glitter. I do like that one actually. And this one is, again, I don't know the name, I'll put it across the screen, but this is the prototype, and it's like a berry shade. The light isn't so great here, so I actually can't see what I'm doing very well. It's a very random swatching, but that's the first coat. So I'm going to put a second coat on. They are beautiful. I've made a bit of a mess of that because I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm just going to clean that up. Okay, so here we go. I did a bit of clean up, and I actually put another coat on these two here. So these two have got 3 coats, and these two without the chameleon flakes are fine on 2 coats. But they're all jelly formulas. These two are a little bit more jelly-ish. And Stuart just walked past me in the kitchen and said, "Oh, they look like glittery jelly tots." But let me show you what they look like with the light. There we go. So you can see all of the sparkle there. I really like these two. And these two are fantastic actually, that scattered hollow in a jelly base. Gonna need a top coat to make everything pop, but I really, really like these polishes. Fantastic for Christmas. So yeah, these are the 2 that I ordered, and these are the 2 that were hanging around, prototypes. So thank you very much, Kat. Appreciate it. Let's have a look at these chromes that were in Kat's kitchen cupboard. So this is, oh wow. Oh my goodness. This is a very blingy foil. Shimmery chrome polish. Beautiful. So this one is a much different formula. It's going to need to be built up. This one was much more opaque. So I will come back and do another couple of coats on this thumb. But I'm loving these polishes. So I actually only needed 2 coats. This is a kind of greeny gold, but there's definitely quite a bit of blue in there. Very, very pretty. So these shimmery chrome foil effect. There we go. I've taken the flash off, but I have put a top coat on. Smudge this one a little bit, but I did put a top coat on just so you can see the full shiny blinginess of these beautiful jelly scattered hollows. Look at these two, will be just amazing for Christmas. So yeah, that's fantastic. Love my tin. I'm going to go and put all my bits and pieces in there now, and let me know if you've picked up any of this new collection. This is the Life with Kids collection. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.